Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export in Full HD in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And simply, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to hit the follow button and leave a like. So let's begin. Now let's start our new project and then you can simply choose any stuff or any clips that you want to add into your timeline. And after that, you will be needing to start editing your video. After that, or after you finish editing, you will be able to export your video by clicking the export button that will be shown here at the corner. And when you click, you will be able to start exporting your video. And as you can see, there is no exact settings on the quality that you will be exporting. That means if your video is already has some full HD footage, that means it will be exported on Full HD. Otherwise, it will be in the quality of the footage. That means you won't be able to start uh, customizing the quality. And as you can see, videos made with edits are optimized for high quality playback on Instagram. That means just make sure that your camera roll are already using or the settings of your camera are on the full HD or the 1080 pixels and you will be able to start exporting on full HD. You can simply go to your camera settings and depends on the mobile phone that you are using. It will be either on your app and notification and then you will need just to search for camera roll and then you click on it and then you will be able to start seeing the camera settings. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.